Welcome back, YouTubers. Roger with Gateway Cycles here in Mount Sterling, Kentucky, back with you again. And I've got another exciting new machine for you. I had this one out for a test ride and I wanted to share that with you on a video. So here we go. This is a 2019 Kawasaki W800 cafe style racer. Do a quick walk around on it. Look at the retro style pipe on it there. Got traditional spoke wheels. Really beautiful lines on this machine, just like what it originally was back in the 60s when they came out with this machine. Cool cafe fairing up front here. Really fun machine to ride, good horsepower, good smooth acceleration, and surprisingly a nice transmission. Let's take a look at the dash here. We've got a retro style dash there. This is one of my stock units. I've got the other one that I rode back in the back. Really cool touch here is the two-tone seat. Was unsure about that at first until I got to look at it and I'm like, wow, that's really cool. So there's a quickie on the W800. Thought you guys might like to see it. Come on down here and check this machine out here at Gateway Cycles in Mount Sterling, Kentucky. Check it out on the web at www.gatewaycycles. Don't forget about our Facebook page, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button at the end of the video. That lets me know that you like the videos we're doing, and we'll try to get more out to you as more machines come in. And when I've got something interesting, I certainly like to get it out to you. And I've got something special coming up. So guys, if you have any comments or questions, put them in the comments section below, and thanks for watching.